Hi, this is Tiger Naved Mirza. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Tiger Travel Show, once again. Today I am going to discuss about the places to visit in Guangzhou when you travel to China. The few top places to visit in Guangzhou are Haosheng Square, Sacred Heart Cathedral, Dafo Temple, Shuangshai Pedestrian Street, Huaixing Mosque, Bao Mo Garden, Canton Tower. So let's start talking about Hao Sheng Square. Hao Sheng Square is also known as Flower City Square. ये ग्वांजाओ का सबसे बड़ा स्क्वायर है जो कि लोकेटेड है जूजियांग में. इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मेजर टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन जो एक और नाम से भी जानी जाती है, द न्यू लिविंग रूम ऑफ द सिटी. This place offers modern skyscrapers, large ponds, high-end shopping streets, restaurants, and many more things like this. Now let's talk about the second place, that is the Sacred Heart Cathedral. The Cathedral of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, which is also known by the name Stone Chamber. This cathedral is located on the north bank of the Pearl River and the heart of the old district. It is one of the cathedrals in the whole world which is entirely built up of granite. This is the largest Gothic cathedral in the China. Archbishop of China. This is located on the metro line number 2. You need to exit from A1 and you will reach the destination. The metro station is Haizu Square. Now talking about the third place to visit, it is Dafo Temple. Dafo Temple is one of the 5 most renowned Buddhist temple in Guangzhou. Dafo Temple की जो एंट्री फी है वो बिल्कुल फ्री है, जो इसको एक सांस्कृतिक अनुभव से जोड़े रखती है. डाफो टेम्पल के खुलने का वक्त सुबह 6 बजे है और शाम को बंद होने का 5 बजे. टेम्पल्स आर सेक्रेड प्लेस, सो ड्रेस मॉडेस्टली बाय कवरिंग योर शोल्डर, चेस्ट एंड नीज. डाफो टेम्पल के नजदीक जो मेट्रो स्टेशन है वो है बीजिंग रोड. आप इस मेट्रो स्टेशन के एग्जिट बी से निकलेंगे तो 200-300 मीटर चलने पर ही आप डाफो टेम्पल पहुंच जाएंगे. नाउ कमिंग टू द थर्ड अट्रैक्शन, शेंगशियाजू पेडेस्ट्रियन स्ट्रीट. This street is famous for its bustling commercial and cultural hub in Liwan district of Guangzhou. As China is known for its blend of traditional folk architecture, diverse shopping opportunities, and array of dining options, this street is a stretch of about 1200 meters. It offers a lovely atmosphere for both locals and for tourists. There are 2 metro stations by which you can reach this street very easily. Cultural Park and Chengshaolu are the 2 stations by which you can reach here conveniently. Now coming to the fourth attraction, Huaixing Mosque. Huaixing Mosque is also known as the Lighthouse Mosque. It is the greatest mosque of Canton and the largest mosque of Guangzhou. According to the Wikipedia, some historical text even says it is the first mosque built in the 7th century. This mosque has been rebuilt several times in the history. The minars of this mosque are approximately 36 meters. It was one of the tallest buildings until the start of 20th century. Now coming to the sixth attraction, which is Canton Tower. The Canton Tower is a 600-meter tall multi-purpose observation tower in Guangzhou, China. It is known for its slim and twisted form, and you can have stunning views from its observation deck. It has many adventurous activities like rope course, sky drops on its upper level, and few good restaurants and exhibition center. Now coming to the other tourist attraction which is related to environment and greenery. Baomo Garden. Baomo Garden is the largest restored cultural park in Panyu district, Guangzhou. It features southern China architecture with koi ponds and numerous bridges with small museums of Qing dynasty, and it was destroyed during the Cultural Revolution and was rebuilt in 1990s. The nearest metro station to reach Baomo Garden is Shichiao Station, metro line number 3. Coming out from the metro station, you need to take the bus to reach the destination. The bus numbers are P12 or P67. Now coming to the last but not the least tourist attraction. Now let's talk about Opera Museum. The Cantonese Opera Art Museum is located in Luan district of Guangzhou. The entry for this museum is free. The museum is focusing on the history and art of the Cantonese opera, showcasing some instruments and wax figures. Yongqing Feng is a historic area where this museum is situated and also includes Bruce Lee's former residence. There is a cultural street where you can experience traditional practices. The Opera Museum opens 6 days, which starts from Tuesday to Sunday. Monday it is closed. The timing of the Opera Museum are in morning 9 a.m. and it closes in evening 5 p.m. To reach the destination, the nearest metro station is Yongqing Feng, which is on metro line number 11. You need to exit the gate D2 and you will reach the location very easily. Now ending my videos from India, the time has come for me to reach China. This just became possible for me by your love and your wishes. I will convert my and your dreams into reality. I will need your more love and will require more support and more wishes also. तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में जब मैं पहुंच चुका हूँगा चाइना. Please like, subscribe and share my channel as much as you can. This is your host Tiger Naved Mirza.